In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up Sweetstakes once you have it installed. So you can see we have the plugin installed here under the plugins menu in WordPress in the admin area. If you have questions on how to install Sweetstakes, watch the video on that. I'll link to it in this video's footer. The first thing you need to do is go to the settings page for Sweetstakes. So go to Settings, Sweepstakes. Make sure you put in your license key that you received when you purchased the software. Once you put in a key and hit save, you'll see that it's valid and that it expires on a certain date. And then if you have MailChimp for your email list, you can put in your API key, and we'll tackle that later on as well. So to add a new sweepstakes, you go under to the sweepstakes menu and hit add new. And you'll see the sweepstakes post type. So I've written out a bunch of these things in order to make it easy to do the video here. But first you want to name the sweepstakes. Then you want a headline for the sweepstakes. So put that in there. Subheadline is additional information right underneath the main headline. So put that in there. And then the entry headline, which tells people what they need to do in order to enter. And then the thank you text appears at the end of the entry process. So I'll put that in there. Once the sweepstakes closes, you can come back and put the winners in so that people who are checking the sweepstakes can see who's won. Next, we need to add some images. So first we're going to add a background image. Make sure you pay attention to the recommended image sizes for each one of the images. It's really important that you use the right size and dimensions so that the sweepstakes looks as good as possible. So we'll upload an image here for the background and hit insert into post, and you can see it appear right there. And then we'll do the same for the logo image here. One of the things you can also do is just paste in a link to the image if you've already had it uploaded, or you can choose it from your media library, what have you. So we'll go with a little bit of a baseball theme here. So we have a logo that's uploaded, and again, pay attention to the proper sizes and dimensions so that everything looks good. Then you can choose the headline color, and you can use the picker like I'm doing here, or you can put in the actual hex code for the color. Now we'll choose our button color, and if you want, you can click the gradient color for the button, and you can choose two colors for the button. It'll make a nice gradient for you. Now we have to choose the button text color. And we have to choose so here we'll choose white. Now we have to type in what we want the button to say and where we want it to link to. This is where the people will go after they enter. So there's an opportunity to send them to a page, an offer, back to the blog, something like that. Now there's 3 steps to the sweepstakes which help make it viral. So we're going to set the text color of the step there and the background color of the step in this step. Now we configure the social sharing from Facebook. So first you want to link to the Facebook page that you want people to like. That's your Facebook page. It's not the page of the sweepstakes, it's your page on Facebook. Then we'll enter in what the share headline is and the share description. That's what will appear when people share it. And then we'll do the share thumbnail. So again, upload an image here. This is the image that appears next to the Facebook share. Really important that it's at least 600 by 315 pixels so that you get the big image share in Facebook with the new share formatting. Retargeting is really interesting for sweepstakes. If you have retargeting code, you can put it in there, and I'll go into that in a later video. And of course, meta descriptions and keywords you can add as well. Lastly, you'll want to put in the official rules. So title that and drop in your official rules text. I have some official rules that I used at a previous sweepstakes that I'm just going to drop in here. And you can go and you can format it however you want. Just clean this up real quick. And I'm going to come down here, and then if you do have MailChimp integrated, you can choose where you want your subscribers to go to. So I'll choose this list called Sweetstakes, and it's all pretty much set. The next thing I need to do is set the status of the sweepstakes. So I can set it to draft mode or open, And then once it's open, I have to decide when to close it. I can either manually close it, or I can set a date when the sweepstakes will automatically close. So I'll do automatically, set it for a month, and we'll save a draft of this before we publish it, we'll check it out. So you can go up and preview the sweepstakes once it's been saved as a draft. And there you go. So you can see the live page, the headline, the sub-headline, the people that already like your Facebook page. You can see the entry form. Here's a link to the giveaway rules that we put in. So you can see the rules there. People can go back. You can see that the entry button has been configured the way with the colors we chose. So let's test it out. So enter an email address in here and hit enter. And here's the confirmation page, call to action, make sure that you're our fan to like that page, to share the giveaway, and then, call to action where they should go after they're done entering. And if you check out the Facebook share, you'll see the share image there, and the headline and the copy that goes along with the share. And that is it. So you have a complete sweepstakes with the viral loop attached, and you're ready to roll. Good luck.